from bustling trains to towering cranes, and the buses that keep our cities moving. Every driver knows the importance of reliable brakes. But over time, brake parts wear down, compromising safety and performance. That's where SBF Finest Auto Parts comes in. We specialize in manufacturing high-quality brake linings for both passenger and commercial vehicles. Also, we craft brake pads, brake shoes, and clutch facing. In special cases, we can craft custom brakes without molds or dies, saving you significant fees on die making. Upgrade your vehicle's braking and transmission systems with SBF. Contact us today for premium solutions and top-notch safety. Get in touch today.
Manufactured only by Mukesh Kumar and Sons. A411 Sahibabad Industrial Area Site 4, Ghaziabad.